Have you noticed your legs feel weaker than before? As we get older into our 60s, 70s, and 80s, many people start to feel changes in their legs. They may feel less steady or more tired than they used to. But this change does not have to be accepted as normal. There are small and simple things you can start doing today to make your legs stronger, improve blood flow, and stay active. In this video, you will learn 5 easy habits that can help protect your legs. These are not hard medical treatments. They are everyday actions that can make a big difference. Stay with us until the end because what you learn today could help you move better and feel more confident for years to come. Daily gentle leg stretches. Doing light stretching every day helps keep your legs flexible and strong. As we age, our muscles can become tight from sleeping or sitting too long. This tightness makes movement harder and increases the chance of falling. Even small tasks like getting out of a chair or walking up steps can become difficult. But stretching just a few minutes each day can help. You do not need special training or equipment. You can stretch by sitting and gently reaching for your toes or by leaning on a wall to stretch your calves. For example, George is 76 years old. He once believed stretching was only for young people. But when he started waking up with stiff legs, his doctor advised him to add stretching into his morning routine. George started slowly, using a chair for support. After a few weeks, he felt looser and walked more easily. He also felt more in control of his health. Stretching shows your body that it still matters. It is a small act of self-care that can make you feel better, move easier, and build strength no matter your age. Simple seated or standing leg lifts. Doing leg lifts while sitting or standing helps build strength in the legs. These simple movements are great for people who want to feel steadier when walking. Without regular movement, the muscles in our legs can weaken. This makes it easier to trip or lose balance. Leg lifts are easy to fit into your day. Sit in a chair and slowly lift one leg at a time. Or stand near a counter for support and do the same. These small movements help the muscles around the knees, hips, and ankles stay strong. Alice is 80 years old. She started feeling unsure when stepping off curbs or getting into her car. She began doing leg lifts while watching her favorite morning show. At first, she could only do a few. But as time passed, she grew stronger. She felt proud when she noticed she could move more easily and with less effort. These little exercises do not need a gym. They just need your attention and care. Every time you lift your leg, you are building strength and telling yourself, I am still strong. Walk for a few minutes every hour. One of the best things you can do for your legs is walk for a few minutes each hour. Sitting for long periods slows down your blood flow, weakens muscles, and increases the risk of swelling or even blood clots. Taking short walks, even just around your home, helps your blood keep moving and keeps your legs active. Frank, age 79, used to sit for hours reading or watching TV. Then he began setting a reminder to get up and walk for 5 minutes every hour. After doing this for a while, he noticed his legs felt better and less stiff. He also had more energy and felt happier. These short walks are easy to do and very helpful. No special gear is needed. Just a few steps every hour can keep your legs healthier and stronger. These moments of movement become a way to stay connected to your body and your day. Gentle calf and foot massage. A light massage on your calves and feet is a simple way to care for your legs. It helps improve blood flow and can ease tightness or tiredness in your muscles. As people age, it's common to feel heaviness or soreness in the legs, especially after standing or sitting for long hours. Massaging the legs and feet helps reduce that tired feeling. It also makes the tissues feel more relaxed. You don't need any special tools. Just rub gently with your hands, using soft circles, light pressure, or slow kneading. Ruth is 82 and loves to garden. But afterward, her legs often felt tired. She decided to give herself a short massage before bed each night. Soon she noticed her legs felt lighter, and she started sleeping better. She also looked forward to this small time of rest and care. Massaging your legs is a kind way of saying thank you to the body that supports you. It's a reminder that even small actions can bring comfort, health, and peace. Elevate your legs daily. Another easy and helpful thing to do is raise your legs for a little while each day. When we sit or stand for a long time, fluid can gather in the lower legs. This can make your legs feel heavy or swollen and puts pressure on your veins. By simply propping your legs up with a pillow or resting them along the back of a couch, you help that fluid move back toward your heart. This reduces swelling and makes your legs feel better. Harold is 77 and spent many years working on his feet. Now in retirement, he enjoys staying active, but by evening his legs often felt sore. His doctor suggested lifting his legs up in the afternoon. Harold started putting a few pillows under his feet while resting on the couch. He quickly noticed how much better his legs felt and how it helped him sleep. Raising your legs is easy and calming. It gives your legs time to recover from the day. It's also a gentle reminder that they have carried you far and deserve some kindness in return. Final thoughts. Take a moment to think about the 5 habits we shared. Which one stood out to you the most? Which one can you begin today? These small steps like stretching, walking, massaging, or lifting your legs can help you move better and feel more confident. You do not need big changes. Just small daily actions that show your legs and your health still matter. Your legs have helped you through so much in life. Now is the time to give them a little extra care and attention. Thank you for spending time with us. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share one thing you learned and how you plan to use it. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support helps us make more helpful videos for you. We look forward to seeing you again soon.